Na full, ano ako eh. Full gallery ko.
I've been places better than this.
Not really beautiful here, but the thing is, it's refreshing your mind when you hike.
Yeah. I've been to more I've been to Falklands Island. It's much beautiful than this, you see.
Yeah.
I've been to places, country where nobody has been there. Now my brother is there in Falklands Island. He went there for 6 months. He's in the army military, so he had to go there. I've been to Madagascar also.
Pinoy ba yung ano, asawa ng Sri Lanka?
Chile, Argentina, Brazil, Rio de Janeiro.
Nandun na yung mga anak niya dalawa. Sila mag-asawa. Wala. Hindi sumama si Ivan?
I even went to Montenegro. That is cheap in Europe the most. Go there also.
Meron ako doon. Ay, nasa ba? Hindi pala. Iba pala itong bag din binitbit ko. How many hours na tayo?
1 hour.
Malayo ka ba? Akyatin pa ba natin yan? Ito, buti kaya din tong isa, oh. Hindi, ano. Hello! Good morning, good morning. Good morning, honey. Sa atin pa to, takot na maganito, Pam. Kasi baka may NPE. Dito, wala. Paborito ng lahat. Lakad ko pa lang sa daan sa atin, nagtaktak mo yung pawis mo. Oo, sobrang init mo. Kaya nga. Dito din naman, kahit nasa bundok tayo, di ba? Nainitan lang tayo kasi sa taas ng akyatan natin.
Mama hả?